14. The court is a commercial theater, how procedure mirrors contract. 1. The stage and the script. Every courtroom is a stage. The robe, the bench, the bar, all costume and set designed for the oldest performance on earth, contract law in motion. The judge plays the administrator, the clerk plays the accountant, and the attorneys are merchants trading your silence for judgment. So what does that actually mean? It means court isn't about guilt, it's about agreement. Every word uttered is an offer. Every silence is an acceptance. The game is not morality but procedure, a ritualized negotiation wrapped in authority. Footnote. Judicial proceedings function as contract formations in equity, where consent, notice, and opportunity to respond establish binding outcomes. 2. The role you were never told you had. Most people walk into court as actors who don't know their lines. They answer to the name on the docket, stand when told, and think the judge's questions are commands. In truth, every appearance is an offer to contract, and every acknowledgement is acceptance. So what does that actually mean? It means the first person to speak usually loses jurisdiction. The living being's proper role is not defendant but beneficiary of the trust. Once you claim that standing, the judge becomes the trustee obligated to settle the account, not the ruler of your fate. Footnote. Standing as beneficiary repositions the party from subject to principal, altering jurisdictional control and fiduciary duty within proceedings. 3. Silence, default, and the art of non-consent. In commerce, silence is agreement, unless rebutted. The court thrives on unrebutted presumptions. Failure to object, clarify, or condition consent is taken as full acquiescence. Every motion not answered is a contract completed. So what does that actually mean? It means the quietest person in court usually pays the loudest price. The lawful response is not rebellion but reservation. One must condition consent on proof of claim, preserving rights through questions, not arguments. Who is the injured party? Is worth more than any plea. Footnote. Conditional acceptance preserves non-consent while demanding evidence, converting presumed liability into a demand for lawful authority. 4. The judge's true role. Contrary to public belief, judges do not judge. They administer trust property and balance ledgers. The robe symbolizes neutrality, not morality, as they manage the estate proceedings between living beneficiaries and corporate trustees. So what does that actually mean? It means you're not in a fight, you're in an audit. Once you understand this, the court ceases to be a place of fear. It becomes a forum of paperwork and precision, a place where equity speaks in balance sheets, not verdicts. The one who knows this doesn't argue, they settle. Footnote. Judicial authority arises from equitable administration of trust property, making courts instruments of commercial accounting rather than moral adjudication.